Konnichiwa, everyone. Welcome back to Imagenish Videos, where we explore the fascinating world of Japanese cuisine. Today, we're diving deep into the realm of Yakizakana, the art of grilling fish in Japan. Yakizakana, or grilled fish, is a staple in Japanese cuisine. But did you know that the tradition of grilling fish dates back centuries? It's not just a delicious dish, it's a cultural experience. Back in the Edo period, fish vendors would grill their catch right on the streets, creating a delicious aroma that attracted locals. The Japanese truly celebrate the bounty of each season through their cuisine. In Japan, it's not just a meal, it's a symbol of celebration. Families often gather around a grill during special occasions, bonding over the delicious aroma of sizzling fish. Grilling techniques. From using traditional charcoal grills to employing modern techniques like binchotan, white charcoal, the methods vary. Chefs carefully consider the type of fish, the cut, and even the skin to achieve the perfect flavor and texture. Speaking of flavor, did you know that Yakizakana isn't just about the fish itself? The marinades and seasonings play a crucial role. Whether it's a simple salt seasoning or a more complex miso glaze, each region and chef adds their own unique twist to elevate the dish. Ever notice the meticulous presentation of Yakizakana? Well, here's the scoop. The way the fish is arranged on the plate isn't just for aesthetics. Yakizakana isn't a one-size-fits-all dish. Each region in Japan has its own take on grilled fish, incorporating local ingredients and unique cooking methods. From Hokkaido to Okinawa, you'll find a diverse array of flavors, showcasing the rich culinary tapestry of Japan. Fish collagen benefits. Now, let's talk beauty secrets. Japanese women have long valued the benefits of fish collagen for maintaining youthful skin. Many Yakizakana dishes, rich in collagen, contribute to not only a delightful dining experience but also potential skincare benefits. Who knew grilled fish could be a beauty booster? Here's a fact that aligns with modern times. The Japanese are pioneers in sustainable fishing practices. Many Yakizakana chefs prioritize using locally sourced, responsibly caught fish. It's a delicious reminder that enjoying seafood can be both tasty and environmentally conscious. Seasonal fish markets. Rituals of grilling. Yakizakana isn't just about tossing fish on a grill. There's a certain ritual involved. In some regions, chefs follow specific steps, such as purifying the grilling area or offering a symbolic gesture before cooking. It's a blend of culinary skill and spiritual connection that adds a unique layer to the Yakizakana experience. Fish varieties beyond the ocean. When we think of grilled fish, the mind often goes to the vast ocean. But did you know Yakizakana extends beyond saltwater species? Inland areas of Japan embrace freshwater fish like ayu or aiwana, showcasing the country's diverse aquatic resources. For those who want to try their hand at Yakizakana, there's a surprising trend. DIY Yakizakana kits. These convenient packages come with pre-marinated fish, special seasonings, and even miniature grills for an authentic experience at home. Ever tried the delicacy of fish heads and collars? In Japan, these parts are often considered the tastiest. Don't be surprised if you find locals savoring these parts with gusto. Various regions host Yakizakana festivals, where locals and visitors alike can indulge in a feast of grilled fish, explore different cooking styles, and appreciate the cultural richness surrounding this beloved dish. It's a fascinating blend of culinary appreciation and artistic expression, turning the process of grilling fish into a form of visual art. This charcoal not only imparts a unique taste but also regulates temperature, allowing chefs to achieve the perfect grill without compromising the delicate flavors of the fish. Fish market auctions. Yakizakana begins its journey from the bustling fish markets of Japan. In some cases, the finest and freshest catches are determined through lively auctions. Fish seasonality influencing grill techniques. Here's a culinary twist. The season in which the fish is caught can influence the grilling technique. For example, during the summer when fish are leaner, chefs might opt for quicker grilling methods to preserve the delicate texture. In contrast, during colder months, slower grilling techniques can enhance the flavors and tenderness. Chefs often pair grilled fish with umami-rich ingredients like soy sauce, mirin, and dashi to create a harmonious symphony of flavors that tantalize the taste buds. So there you have it. A platter full of unknown facts about Yakizakana. I hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of Japanese grilled fish. Remember, the next time you savor Yakizakana, you're not just tasting a dish, you're experiencing a rich tapestry of history, culture, and culinary artistry. Don't forget to share your own Yakizakana facts or experiences in the comments below. Until next time, mata ne! Please like, comment, and subscribe.